This is the POCO M6 Pro 5G smartphone. Looking at the feature, it has a 17.2 cm 90 Hz Full HD Plus display and a Snapdragon 4th Gen 2 4 nanometer power efficient chipset. Coming to the camera, it has a 50 megapixel AI dual camera and a 8 megapixel selfie camera along with a larger battery which is 5000 milliamps, and it also has 18-watt fast charging. We also have this Made in India printed on the box. Alright, so let's unbox this yellow box and check out the phone. Right, so there is the phone. Let me keep this phone aside and check what's inside the box. It's good to see they provide a silicone case, and this frosted TPU case is of a good quality. And this comes with a 22.5 watt adapter and USB Type A to Type C charging cable. Apart from that, there is nothing much in the box, and we have SIM ejector tool and documentation. Okay, alright, so let's look at the phone now. It's in fact a big phone, and also it's not heavy. The black island camera section design looks very nice. We have this POCO symbol over here. Coming to camera, it has a 2 megapixel depth sensor along with 50 megapixel primary sensor and the flashlight. And yeah, this is glass back, and also the sides are flat. Quickly looking into the buttons, we have SIM card tray here, and over here the volume up and down button. Underneath we have power button along with a fingerprint sensor. At the bottom we have speaker grill, the USB-C port and the microphone. On the top we have this infrared sensor and a 3.5 mm jack. It's time to power on the phone. The POCO symbol appeared on the screen. Talking about the OS, it comes with MIUI 14 out of the box. Okay, it's asking me to choose the language. I'm gonna select English and I'm gonna hit next. And the region is already selected to India. I'm gonna select next. The end user agreement, I have to agree by default. Okay, here we go. It's searching for SIM card which is not inserted, so it's prompting me to insert a SIM. I'm gonna remove the SIM tray, and yeah, it's coming out. Okay, so what we see here is that it supports dual SIM and also supports SD card. The SIM is now inside the tray and I'm gonna insert it in the phone. Time to connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, and the phone is getting ready. I'm not gonna copy the data now, I'll do it later. It's asking me to accept Google's services. Okay, I'm gonna skip the screen lock and okay. Have to review these basic settings. I'm gonna select next. Okay, this I'm gonna agree and it's preparing. The wallpaper appeared, it's still loading. Okay, we have to wait. Finally, all apps are loaded, and let me quickly check. We have all the default apps available on the phone. Let me quickly apply this case on the phone. Cool, this transparent case does look good on the phone. Let me launch YouTube. Okay, I got a message that system UI is not responding. That's weird. And when I click OK, now it says process system isn't responding. The screen turned blank, and now I have a message which says something went wrong. Please send feedback. Okay, it's nothing responding. I'm gonna reboot the phone once. I hope this issue is fixed with the software update. Talking about the display, it's 6.79-inch Full HD plus display, and it has 500 nits of brightness along with 90 Hz refresh rate. So let's watch a quick video and check out the display quality. The display quality is not bad and it has good viewing angles, so it's good for watching content and so on. Now let's talk about camera. This is a budget phone, therefore don't expect much, but still the camera quality is not really bad. So let's capture a few photos. So what we see is that the photos have come really good. The photo captured from this angle has come little blurred, and this one is good. The best thing about this phone is the performance is really smooth, and with the help of 90 Hz refresh rate, we get a good gaming experience. Okay, let's test the sound quality of this phone. You can see I've set the phone volume to around 80%. There are mono speakers which are loud and have good quality. Let's go ahead and test it. Talking about the price, it's available for 10,749 rupees in Amazon, and the price varies as per discount now and then. And earlier we noticed this software issue. I hope they fix it in the new update. Overall, I would say this phone is good in the 10K price range. I hope this video was informative. If you have any questions, please mention in the comment section below. As always, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thanks for watching. Peace.